Hello everyone, today I want to share with you this lovely carnation flower coaster. I use Susan's Family 4-ply cotton yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. First, wrap the yarn around your left hand, then make a magic ring. Chain 2 as a turning chain, which doesn't count as a stitch. Now work 1 double crochet. You can place a stitch marker in the first stitch of each round. The pattern for the first round is 1 double crochet followed by 1 chain. Repeat this 12 times total. Once the first round is done, pull the loop tight, remove the marker, and join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. For the second round, we'll be crocheting into the chain spaces from the previous round. Start by chaining 2 as a turning chain. Then work 2 double crochets. After completing the 2 double crochets, chain 1. The pattern for this round is 2 double crochets followed by 1 chain. Repeat this 2 times total. Once the second round is finished, switch colors and crochet into the chain space from the previous round. Start by chaining 2. Then work 3 double crochets. After completing the 3 double crochets, chain 2. The pattern for this round is 3 double crochets followed by 2 chains. Repeat this 12 times total. Once done, switch colors again. For the fourth round, we'll crochet into the 2 chain space from the previous round. Start with 3 chain stitches as the first double crochet. Place a stitch marker on the third chain stitch. Chain 2. 1 double crochet. Finally, chain 2. The pattern for the fourth round is 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, then 2 chains as 1 group. Repeat this 12 times total. For the fifth round, switch colors and crochet into the 2 chain space between groups from the previous round. Start with 1 chain stitch as a turning chain, which doesn't count as a stitch. Then work 1 single crochet. Next, go up to the previous round and work 6 double crochets into the chain space between the 2 double crochets. This completes 1 group. The pattern for this round is 1 single crochet, 6 double crochets. The rest can be completed by yourself. For the sixth round, we'll start crocheting from the first double crochet of the 6 double crochets from the previous round. Start with 1 chain stitch, then work 1 single crochet. Skip 3 chain stitches. Then we begin repeating the pattern. 1 single crochet, 3 chains. Pay attention, on the last double crochet, we only work 1 single crochet, no 3 chains. Next, join with a slip stitch to the single crochet in the previous round. Complete the remaining part following this pattern. This simple and nice carnation bouquet coaster is done.